this with you guys yesterday, but I did assign it as homework. So let's do a couple of these together, and then maybe we'll just grade the rest of it. So this is 12D in your Wordly Wise book. It says by adding or changing or dropping a suffix, we can change the form of a word. Okay, and so the suffix, does that go in the beginning or the end of a word? For 10 points, Miss Dart, a suffix. Is that the beginning or the end of a word?
The ending.
Yeah, it's the ending. A prefix, as in pre, before, that would become before the root word. So suffix is the ending we're talking about here. And it says we change the form of the word if you change the suffix. And so they give us an example here. It says the verb, which is an action word, the word act becomes an adjective, which is a descriptive word describing something, active, when the suffix is added. Group 1, 20 points, gone. The adjective destructive becomes the noun destruction when the suffix is changed. The noun runner, that's a noun, person, place, or thing, becomes the verb run. It's an action word when the suffix is dropped. So it says for each verb, noun, or adjective, write the two other forms of the word under the correct heading. So all these words here will be verbs, action words. All of these will be nouns, person, place, or thing. All of these will be adjectives, which is describing something, a descriptive word. So they give us one of the three here, and one of the three is navigational, which is an adjective. So what would be the two other forms of navigational that would go under verb? So verb and noun, rather. Let's see here. Mr. Duhamel, what'd you get for the verb? No? Did you get the second one, the noun?
No.
Okay, well, let me help you guys out here. How many of you think you might have it? Not very many. Let me try one more stick here. Mr. Malamed, did you get it? For the verb? No? Okay. Well, let me ask you guys a question here. What does a navigator do? They navigate. That's the verb.
Can you keep the now? Oh yeah, can we put up 10 points for suffix? That's what good.
No, nobody knew it. The sticks that I pulled.
You got it wrong.
Oh, for that, yes. Okay. Now, what is the noun form of navigate? What's a person, place, or thing? Miss Lehman, what do you have? Navigation. Nicely done, 10 points. Number 2, rebel. Okay. What would be the noun form of rebel? Mr. Milmore, what do you think?
Rebellion?
Yeah, rebellion. 10 points. And then how about the adjective form of rebel? Mr. Montanez? Rebellious.
Yep. Sleep.
Nicely done. So we have the noun exasperation. Let's see here. Miss Nye, what do you think the verb form of that would be? Exasperate. Yes, 10 points. And for 10 points, Mr. Cowan, what do you think the adjective form would be? No, somebody that is, they're doing something to you, what would that be in the form of this? What? Exasperating. Yep, 10 points. You guys see this now?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay.
I can see it. It's a really big screen.
All right. So I'm going to end that video.
Bye.
I'll let you guys do the rest of those.